CES 2026, today I'm taking a look at Ecover, and I'm talking to Daniel. What do we got going on here?
What you're looking at is a large capacity air purifier and a sterilizer. So you've seen the small size residential units, right? And you've seen, humongous HVAC ventilations.
Right.
We fill in the gap.
Okay.
So we work with lots of factories, warehouses, universities. We are even in subway stations, wherever a large space people gather. This is the best. It generates a powerful airflow.
Yeah.
And then we have 4-step filtration system. So the pre-filter for the large dust, and carbon filter for the odor, and also HEPA filter, as you know, is very effective in terms of filtering the micro-sized particles.
Right.
And at the end, we have photocatalytic filter, which uses UV light,
Oh, nice.
which
Okay.
kills bacteria and germs. So, in places like daycare, schools, people are jammed in. They are, spending time together, talking to each other, and even in offices and laboratories and lots of places, right?
Yeah.
So that's where we want to make sure the air quality is good, right? For health and for the, better life quality, right?
Sure.
For everybody, yeah.
Yeah, I think you're probably helping a lot of people here at the Las Vegas Convention Center as well, because there has probably got to be a lot of bacteria going around. A lot of people from a lot of different countries here right now, and you might be actually saving some lives today. So that's a great.
Yeah. You are actually standing
Yeah.
in a spot where the cleanest air is
Absolutely.
in this entire show.
Right.
Right.
Sure. So I can see we got a couple of different models here. We got the Q123M, we got a Q340M. What kind of a size of room should we expect to be able to handle with these?
That's a very good question.
Right.
So that small unit over there, it covers about 4,300 square footage, which is the size of a basketball court. Okay. And this one, the big one here, it covers about 3 times more than the smaller unit. And we also have, the smaller sizes here, they could be wall-mounted or standalone. It covers about a size of a 500 square feet, so it's perfect for doctors' offices and small meeting rooms and small shops.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Yeah, so you got pretty much everything covered. 12,000 square feet, that is a pretty gigantic room. And I can also say I can really appreciate the cooling effect, because it's been warm here at CES. So what can we expect for the retail prices for these units?
So we have not fixed our retail prices yet here in the US because we are just starting.
Okay.
But we think that it'll be between, for the small ones, around $4,000 to $5,000 retail, and for the large units, maybe about $9,000 to $10,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
My personal opinion, this is a way to go, because I can actually smell how clean this is. This is a very nice place to be in the CES. All right, so that's awesome. Is there anything else that I'm missing?
Yes, I have a few things I want to mention too.
Okay.
So here, it's a brand new item that we just released, and this is a money-making machine.
Okay, all right.
So what you're looking at is a smart air purifier. So it has an air purifier at the bottom, advertising display on top. Let's say you are a shopping center owner, right? And you want to have air purification, but you can actually get advertising orders from businesses, and you can actually run it all day, and people look at it, and then you make money.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely. So you got an air purifier built in, so you don't have something that might be, you want to have everything, making sure that your business looks nice and clean. This is definitely a very clean looking unit, plus we got the advertising built in, so you want to have displays, you want to have an air purifier, you want everything all in one, this is going to be the way to go.
Right.
And we could actually set up multiple of these units. How big of a space can we expect for this to handle?
About 2,000 square feet.
Okay, awesome. That's really cool. And I can see we got some antennas there on the top. Is this something where we can broadcast and change what's on the display at the time?
So yeah, if you want to update what you're showing to the public, you can actually upload new contents through Wi-Fi.
That's awesome.
And also, when you have multiple locations, let's say you have multiple units in different places, you want to make sure from your office whether they're working properly, and you want to check the air quality in each location, right?
Yeah.
For example, we have large businesses that have multiple warehouses in different locations or even different states. You can actually log into your system on your computer, and you can actually check real time and monitor each unit and the air quality and the temperature, the humidity and CO2 level and everything. So that you're actually controlling and remotely and making sure every employee is working in a safe environment.
Man, that's awesome. All right, this has been an excellent interview. Thank you very much, Daniel.
Thank you.
Right on.